Hello everyone, Philippe Moisan here. This is the first video in a series of videos on how to advertise with APSense. This video will be shown in the webinar called How to Advertise with APSense. So we are on my homepage, and well, the thing I want to do here is I want to advertise about the webinar itself. As you can see, I created an event in a group. In the webinars group, I created an event about the webinar. You can see it here. Okay, so there are different ways I can advertise about it to remind people of it, because it will happen, as you can see here, in 3 hours and 18 minutes. So we are Friday, May 4th, and this is this morning at 11 a.m. Eastern time that I will do the webinar. So how can I advertise it? Well, I will choose to use this link. If I click on it, okay, you can see it's APSense slash subject slash 65,268. That's the link. The link that if people go here, they will read the information. They can here click on this to see the ref page. They could click here at 11 a.m. to enter the room. Then they enter their name. You don't have to register. You won't receive an email. You won't be on the list. You will simply click on the link, you enter the room with your name, and you're in the room, and you will see the webinar. Okay, so if you get on this page, if you haven't joined the event, if you have not joined, you would see a button here called click join event. I mean, in this case we see exit event because I have already joined it. Well, I created it. Okay, so I will choose this link here. I will copy it. Do Control C, and after that I created a notepad file. I won't save it actually. So I will copy the link at the end of this text, which says webinar how to advertise with APSense, and then I will do Control A and Control C on my keyboard so that this is copied. Okay, then what do we do next? Well, first we can go back to the APSense homepage, and I can copy it, but this is not the right way to do it because the link won't be clickable. In this case, if I click it, if I post it as an update status, so I will Control X, remove the link, and then I click on attach a link, and then Control X has put the link itself back into the clipboard. I do Control V, and there you go, the link is there, so I can post it. Okay, so now we see it. It appears webinar how to advertise with APSense with the link. Okay, I could have written more elaborate information, like added some words like it's happening this morning at 11 o'clock a.m. Eastern time, or stuff like that. Though it could have been done this way. After that, I can go into a group here. One of these groups, Philip's video tutorials. I will go into this group. It's one of my groups actually. I go back to the notepad file. I do Control C again, and then start discussion. Same technique, exact same technique I just did. So Control X, attach a link. There you go. I post it, and for some reason, I've already started the discussion. Yeah. Okay, let's because I posted it an update status. APSense refuses for us to post the exact same text. So if I post it with just a few more words, it works. So these are the first two things that can be done. Well, you can do lots of other things, and I'll get back to that in other videos. One last thing, if I go back to the APSense homepage, so as you can see, you can write an article, write a ref page. Actually, I will show you the ref page that I created about it. That's another way to advertise. So if we go to the webinar, if I click on the ref page, you'll see webinar how to advertise with APSense. I wrote this ref page. I created an image specifically for it, and I gave some details about it with the link, the actual link that I just saw for the event that I created. So I'll get back to you in a second video of this series. Bye bye.